SEI finally broke out of this longer bearish trend. So with this bullish confirmation, what are the next potential price targets and in which area I can find more entries for SEI? In this video I will analyze SEI, share my current trade, and I will show you next potential entry zones. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Bitcoin, SEI and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So after this bullish explosion in the beginning of the year, we then had this all-time high, and after this all-time high we had this massive correction for SEI. We came all the way back into this demand zone, which was the start of this bullish push. We then first saw this bullish reaction right here into this high, and from this high we then saw this lower low. We then saw this massive wick which took liquidity, which was resting under this lows because most of the retailers put their stop loss under lows. And after this wick we then saw this bullish upcoming move and also broke now this last high to the upside and have this bullish confirmation. Because right here we were in this downwards trend, and with this break we are right now in a bullish daily structure again, and the potential for higher highs is even bigger. And if we have a look at the 4-hourly chart, you can also see that we had now this last demand zone, this push to the upside. We came back into this demand zone and retested again. And after this bullish price action in this demand zone, I opened this trade for SEI. I then put my stop loss under this lows with some space, and I put my target price in this last highs right here in this liquidity. I also shared this trade with my signal group and opened it on Blofin, because as you can see we are clearly in this bullish trend, we are seeing bullish interest, and if we can also break this last high to the upside, then the chance is really high that we will also get into this high and into the supply zone. And soon I will put my stop loss on entry so I have a risk-free trade and can run SEI to the upside. So I think this last high is the next bullish interesting target. But when we are reaching this last high, then the chance is high that we can take some liquidity right here. We are coming into the supply zone, and then the chance for a pullback is there. And if we are breaking directly to the upside over this last supply zone, then of course this last high right here at 68 cents is the next very interesting zone. And if we can also break this last high, then the next very interesting zone is this high right here at 91 cents, and of course then the all-time high at $1.14. And I think SEI is a very interesting project with a very high potential. We are right now on place 53 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.5 billion. And I think the chance is high that we will see even higher prices than the last all-time high. And to calculate the next potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And this is then the next very interesting zone right here at $1.72. And for the top of the bull run, I think the $4.20 are very realistic, because we right now have this big market cap, but we also have a much potential to the upside. Of course, we can see even higher prices, but if we're reaching this potential zone, then I will take massively profits, because I opened here a trade, but of course in the bear market I bought some SEI. So if you're reaching this potential high, I will sell some SEI, and I will sell most of my SEI coins in this high right here, because I'm a very big friend of making strategically and smart profit takings. So I'll definitely sell the most of my coins right here. And just from the prices right now, we also have a potential over 800%. And I think this is really amazing. And if you're on the sideline right now, I would either wait if we are seeing the bullish interest coming over this zone, seeing a pullback right here, and then maybe moving into this last highs right here, because then the chance is high that we can continue the bullish momentum. Or if we are breaking again under this lows and come into this last zone right here, we find multiple times resistance and support. So if we're seeing bullish price action in this area, then the chance is really high that we can continue the bullish momentum. So I think this is a perfect chance to get into spot positions or medium or long-term trades. And if you want to trade SEI or other altcoins, you can use Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees, and with my link you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.